What's up friends in the hood, greetings to everybody and welcome if you're new to the channel. So today is a new review time guys. So what do we have here? It's a drone guys. So it's the Holystone HS280. So we have HD camera, modularized battery, hand gesture, high and low speeds guys. So I'm really looking forward guys how this thing will behave. So let's unbox this thing. Transmitter, drone, manual as always. So here's a charger guys, a lot of spare props guys, a Phillips screwdriver, a second Lipo guys. So let's take a closer look guys. The drone looks super nice guys, it's foldable and it's about 329 to 210 to 53 millimeter. And if it's folded, we have a size of 135 to 98 to 53. So the capacity of one Lipo is 1300 milliamps and it's a 1S Lipo. So the camera has a picture resolution of 1920 to 180p and a video resolution also of 1920 to 1080p at 20 fps. So the distance to the drone is about 100 meters and the lens had a field of view of 65% and you can regulate to 0 to 80 degrees. The picture format is about JPEG and the video format is AVI or MP4. So the transmitter we can put in mode 1 or mode 2. That's super cool for me because I'm a mode 1 flyer. On the left shoulder we have the record video and take a photo. We have the thumbsticks and we have the power switch. On the right shoulder we have the lens up and lens down and the thumbsticks. In the middle we have the takeoff, one key takeoff and one key landing. We have the speed switch and we have the headless mode. To get the drone operate guys and have the FPV footage and to record everything we need to download the Holystone app guys. I'm showing you right now. So guys, I like the drone, looks super nice really, and hopefully the video resolution, the footage is really good. So I also like the transmitter, it feels really good, not that clumsy at all. So hopefully we have a good steering range and not a bad latency. So I would say let's bring the thing out and see what it can do. First let me show you how to put the transmitter in mode 1 because I'm a mode 1 flyer. So when you're powering the transmitter, you have to push the video button before, so like a binding process. So our transmitter now is in mode 1 guys, but it's always semi mode 1 like I told you once before. So that's always my problem, only these semi modes. So normally I have to have throttle on the right and jaw also, but it's mixed up because they don't work in really mode 1. So that means I have throttle here, that's correct, but I have left and right and jaw is here with forward and backwards. So that's not the best solution, but it is what it is guys. Let's power our drone. After that, connect them together. Put in the battery so the drone should know face when head away from me. So let's long press the on off button from the drone guys till we see some flash. With some green flash guys. Our transmitter is on guys. Now let's bind with our phone connection. So let's go to the Holystone app guys. So I'm in guys, as you can see. Wow, super nice. So one thing guys, let's calibrate our gyro. It's always necessary before every flight. So to calibrate, you have to push the to this side, and there was a flashing green light. And now we're done, guys. And now to enable the whole drone, we have put both sticks to this side, guys. Oh, forgive me. Let's take off. Let's do us a flight. That's really stable, guys. It's very windy, too bad. Heavy wind, guys, but this small drone is performing really well, really. And to be honest, the footage is good, the tilt is good for that budget drone. Really, guys, these are small brush motors. Amazing, amazing, really. Flies super nice. Really, guys, to be honest, this budget drone here, it's really high wind right now. If there isn't wind or totally less wind, this thing is so much highly recommended, guys. It's really, really cool. It has a cool field of view. You can tilt the motor, yeah, as you need. It has good footage, video recording. The app is totally stable and everything works perfect. So take a look, guys. You see? Works perfect, really. Unbelievable. Yes guys, this Holystone HS280 is really fun. It's a budget drone, but it's really fun to fly. The video resolution is good, it flies well. It's not that good in high winds. Okay, it has a 1S Lipos, so not that much power. So if it was a 2S Lipo or maybe brushless motors, for sure it will be much better. But for a beginner drone and for a budget drone and for easy flying guys, this thing is highly recommended. It's really a lot of fun and it's not that expensive. So guys, if you liked the video, please leave a thumb up, like, share, subscribe, whatever. I will reply you. Stay safe out there and see you next week. Bye bye.